I was driving home from Joe's open house, and the sun was in my eyes. I didn't see them. It was an accident. No, I wasn't drinking anything. I just had some root beer. I had nothing to drink. Nothing. No, I haven't had anything. I just had some soda. I had nothing to drink. Yeah. Yeah. I was coming from Joe's open house, celebrating him graduating. They're coming over so. Is he gonna be okay? Is he gonna be okay? Is the little girl gonna be okay? Okay. I'm fine. I'm now doing my head. I'm okay.
Hey, listen, I probably possibly about ready to be I must now offer you the opportunity to submit your chemical test. Will you take a chemical test?
Yeah. I haven't been drinking though. No, I haven't drank anything. No, let go of me. I can't go to jail. Michaela, I haven't drank anything. Why won't you listen to me? No, I can't go to jail. No.
You're welcome to come up this way and take a closer look. If you don't want to come, that's okay, but you're more than welcome to come on up. Okay, if you want to follow your guide over here to the next scene.